Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Use Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Atlas Earth. To sign up for Atlas Earth account, go ahead and first download the Atlas Earth application on your preferred device. Now open the application and you will be able to get the application started. Wait for the application to load and you will come across these two options where it says login with Facebook or login with Google. Choose any one option of your preference. I'm gonna tap on login with Google. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your Google account's credential. Choose an account if listed on the page or use another account, type in your email address or your phone number and click on next. On the next page, enter password for your Google account and tap on next once again. Click the continue button to sign in to Atlas Reality Inc. and you will be able to create a new account for Atlas Earth. Click on I'm ready, continue and follow through the instructions to get started with it. You will need to go through this little video preview first, and once the countdown runs down at the top right corner, click on continue to allow access to location permission. Now after you've created an account, you can purchase land anywhere near your physical location in the real world and the property is yours to keep. And that is how you will be able to sign up and get started with Atlas Earth. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.